In this video, I'll detail how to fix AirPod Pro 2 not showing up in Bluetooth. So if you have the AirPod Pro 2, which is the AirPod second generation, and whenever you are trying to connect your AirPod Pro 2 to your iPhone, you open the lid, you discover that the AirPod Pro 2 is not showing up just like this. Then this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to fix this. So if you don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to fix AirPod Pro 2 not showing up in Bluetooth, the first thing you want to check is you want to confirm whether your AirPod Pro 2 is not connected to another device. It could be iPhone and it could be Android. So if your AirPod Pro 2 is connected to another device, you'll not be able to use it on another iPhone. So you need to first check whether it is connected to other device or not. However, there is no direct way you can use to check on the AirPod Pro 2 itself. So basically, what you're going to do here is you need to reset your AirPod Pro 2 before the pop-up can show up on your iPhone. Then to do this, just come back to the back of the lid here, press and hold the reset button for seconds. Then after some seconds, you're going to hear 2 beeps consecutively. Then there's going to be a transition from the blue light to a cyan light. You see this? And once the reset process is completed, then the cyan light is going to return back to blue like this. You see that tiny light? Then that's the first thing you need to do. Then go ahead, drop the AirPod Pro 2. Then take your iPhone. On your iPhone, you need to go to your iPhone settings. And on the settings page, locate Bluetooth and then locate your AirPod Pro 2 from the list, the name of the AirPod Pro 2. Here I have my AirPod Pro 2. Then once found, click on the information icon. Then here, tap forget this device. Then click on forget device. Then tap forget device from the pop-up. This is going to remove the AirPod Pro 2 from your iPhone completely. However, to now fix AirPod Pro 2 not showing up in Bluetooth or AirPod Pro 2 pop-up not showing up or not showing up in Bluetooth or whatever, all you just need to do is bring your iPhone and your AirPod Pro 2 close together. Then open your AirPod Pro 2. While your AirPod Pro 2 is in pairing mode, then go ahead and click on the connect button. Once you tap the connect button, you should pop that says press and hold the button on the back of the charging case. So once you press and hold this is going to put your AirPod Pro 2 in pairing mode. So go ahead and press it. Then once you hear a beep, then let it go. There's going to be a transition of light from blue to cyan. Then you can now drop your AirPods and wait while your iPhone connects to the AirPod. You can see connecting. Then click on the continue button from the top. Once you hit that, then your iPhone is going to connect with your AirPod Pro 2. Then you can just close this. Then go back to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Then you should see your AirPod Pro 2 connected and found on that Bluetooth. You see this? However, if you disable Bluetooth on your iPhone, this is going to disconnect the AirPod Pro 2 from showing up in the Bluetooth section on your iPhone. Now, to fix this again, all you just simply need to do is come to your iPhone, turn on Bluetooth. Then you're going to see a list of devices you have here. Then to now pair or connect your AirPod Pro 2 to your iPhone, then opens this. Then the moment you open this, just locate the AirPod Pro 2 name, tap on it. Then you should see connecting. Then instantly you're going to see a pop, and that is to show you that your AirPod Pro now shows up in Bluetooth and it has connected. So that's basically fixed AirPod Pro 2 not showing up in Bluetooth on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.